Welcome back. It is time for the Oh Wow Moment, brought to you by the Gloria and Roger Jones Children's Center for Science and Technology. Guess who's back? Miss Elaine is back. Hello, Elaine.
Hello.
I'm glad you're back. And like I said, I loved having Colleen here, but I missed you, my friend.
I missed you too.
I really did.
Best, though.
So what's going on?
For the last 2 weeks, I've been at our SMI, our Summer Manufacturing Institute. That's a 2-week-long camp that we do every year. It's because of an initiative by Senator Sherrod Brown. This was our 11th year that we've done it. Youngstown was the first SMI ever, and now there are dozens of them, if not like almost 100 across Ohio every summer.
Wow.
So we had such a great time for the last 2 weeks, and I just wanted to talk about everything that we accomplished with the camp, and show you some of the stuff that the kids made.
Okay.
So Summer Manufacturing Institute is it's for middle schoolers 5th through 8th grade. We had over 20 partners and sponsors this year that made it possible, but we partner with YWCA to have their campers, so it's mostly girls, and we also partnered with Boys and Girls Club this year, so we had 3 boys and 37 girls.
Oh, I bet they were in heaven, right?
But the girls were absolutely awesome. So the first week, we toured a bunch of different local sites. So we have the big local
manufacturing sites.
So we did manufacturing, and this year we also focused on urban design because it was a lot of fun. So we partnered with Youngstown Cityscape to do the urban design programming, and then they helped us with all their community partners like Eastgate, Trumbull Neighborhood Partnership, Youngstown Neighborhood Development Corporation, and lots of others that we visited and talked to that taught the kids about urban design. They absolutely loved it. We had girls saying, I can be an urban designer when I grow up. This is so cool. I want to be an architect.
How inspiring.
Yes, it was very inspiring.
Wow.
So for that half, so we visited all those places in the first week, and then in the second week, the kids made they took a city block. So our central location was Wick Park, so each group was assigned to a block near Wick Park on Elm Street, and they developed their city block with all the urban design concepts that they learned in the first week.
They did it themselves?
Yes.
Wow.
And then for the manufacturing side, we focused on additive manufacturing. So we partnered with MVMC to tour a bunch of different manufacturers that focused on additive. So additive manufacturing is taking material and adding it to build on something. So like 3D printing is what we did. That's
this is printed by 3D?
Yeah, so this is 3D printed. Yeah, so it's made of plastic filament that gets heated up, and the printer deposits it into the shape of the designs that the kids made on the computer using a software that they learned called Tinkercad. It's a very user-friendly software to kind of introduce the concepts of computer-aided design. That's what CAD stands for. So the kids all created water bottles cages because we partnered with the Psych Ward Bike Shop near Elm Street to do some bike safety and maintenance training.
I see it. That is a water bottle. Okay,
right,
the bottle
so this connects to a bicycle, and so the kids designed these and had them printed as part of the camp.
I'll be darned. Okay, I was wondering, what the heck is that? I was looking at it, folks, and I'm saying, I have no idea what that is, but I know Miss Elaine will tell us. That's really cool. And the students made that?
Yep. Yeah, they all designed their own. They learned the software and learned all about additive manufacturing.
How about that? Well, that's positive, and everybody knows a positive attitude can make anything happen for anyone. And when you're out and about, please, oh please, wear your seatbelt. I hope that you enjoyed today's show, and I hope to see you again next week here on WFMJ Community Connection, and enjoy the Oh Wow Moment. See you next week.